welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing Loafer, the Brown Bulldog Squishmallow. Let's start off with the middle page. We're going to draw in the two eyes first. Right here, let's draw in the first eye. It's going to be a nice, cute, big circle. And we go on the right and draw in the similar eye right around here. And let's give it a little bit of highlight and color them in black. Once your eyes are done, we're going to draw in the nose right in the middle. We're going to draw in a big, cute nose. Let's give it a highlight and color it in black. And then for the nose, we're going to go up. Curve. And then curve down on either side. And this is going to be the muzzle. We're going to go down, down, back up. And the bottom for the mouth. And a little bit of line in the middle. So split the muzzle. And there's going to be a line right above. And then 3 dots. Either side. And that's going to complete the face. And the bulldog does have a little bit of a shape around the eye. So we're going to add that in really quick. Like so. And to draw the face, let's go up right around here. And we're going to go across. Like so. And then we're going to add a little bit of space on either side. And we're going to go down. On either side. And round it out. And connect. And then we're going to do a little belly. On either side. And connect. This can be the belly. And for the ears, we're going to go curve, down, back up for the first ear. Same thing on the other side. Curve, down, back up for the second ear. And there's going to be a spot on the top of the head right here, like so. That's looking good, and your Squishmallow drawing is done. Now we need some color real quick. Start off with a nice gray for all the spots. This ear is also gray. And then this spot is gray. And the rest of the dog is going to be this nice brown color. Let's grab a nice brown. Oops, went a little bit past. It's fine. And the nose is also brown. Brown is for the main body, and the belly is going to be a lighter color. Let's grab it in. Let's see if this one works. This one's a lighter color, and it's going to be for the belly. And there you have it. Loafer the Brown Bulldog Squishmallow is done. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.